Start.
Good evening, everybody. Myself, Manoj. I am studying English grammar in KTC class by Sridhar sir. Today I am telling the weeks SUNDAY Sunday, MONDAY Monday, TUESDAY Tuesday, WEDNESDAY Wednesday, THURSDAY Thursday, FRIDAY Friday, SATUARDAY Saturday, and months JANUARY January, FEBRUARY February, MARCH March, APRIL April, MAY May, JUNE June, JULY July, AUGUST August, SCPTEMBR September, OCTOBER October, NOVEMBR November, DECEMBR December, and
Verbs. Numbers.
ONE1, TWO2, THREE3, FOUR4, FIVE5, SIX6, SEVEN7, EIGST8, NINE9, TEN10, ELVEN, ELEVEN, TWELVE12, THIR TEN13, FOUR TEN14, FIFT TEN15, SIX TEN16, SEVEN TEN17, EIGST TEN18, NINE TEN19, TWENTY 20, TWENTY 20, ONE1 21,
30,
THIRTY 30, FOURTY 40, FIFTY 50, SIXTY 60, SEVENTY 70, EIGSTY 80, NINETY 90, HUNDRED 100.
Next, verbs.
Attend. ATTEND attend ಹಾಜರಾಗು.
Answer.
ANSWR answer ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡು.
Ask.
ASK ask ಕೇಳು.
Beat.
BEAT beat ಹೊಡೆ.
Become.
BECOME become ಆಗು.
Bite.
BIT bite ಖರ್ಚು.
Break.
BREAK break ಮುರಿ.
Bring.
BRING bring ತರು.
Build.
BUILD build ಕಟ್ಟು.
Burn.
BURN burn ಸುಡು.
Buy.
BUY buy ಖರೀದಿಸು.